Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and this is literally lesson 1 if you want to learn blues harmonica. I'm going to be answering some super important questions, which are: what harmonica should I get for the blues? What key of harmonica should I get? And what harmonica should I buy for a beginner? Okay, so if you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Right, so let's talk about the different varieties of harmonica out there. So there are a whole bunch of different ones. I'm going to run through some of the most common ones. So one of the most common ones is one called a chromatic harmonica, which you'll see there's a little picture up here. This is the kind of thing that Stevie Wonder plays. It has a button on the side so that you can change the pitch of the hole that you're playing. We don't use it a lot in blues. We use it a little bit, but not a huge amount. So we don't need that. Next one is a tremolo harmonica. See up here. So this is used a lot in folk music. Also not great for blues. Next one, bass harmonica. Looks a little bit like this, and you'll see these a lot more in harmonica groups or harmonica orchestras, and as its name suggests, it handles the low end. And then finally, we've got chord harmonicas, which are big long things. This picture doesn't really do it justice, and as its name suggests, it plays chords, so that's also something that's more common in harmonica ensemble setting. So if you want to play blues, this is the important one to know. You need a Tenhole Diatonic harmonica in the key of C. It's this kind of thing. They come in a whole bunch of different keys, which is why I said the key of C. But you don't really need to worry about that for now. What you need to know is why we play the diatonic harmonica, why it's so useful for blues music. So here I have a Hohner Special 20, which comes in this snazzy little case. This is also the harmonica that I suggest that you get if you're a complete beginner. And you'll see it has 10 holes, hence the name Tenhole Diatonic. And the way it's tuned enables us to play lots of fun chugging down in the lower end for that kind of train rhythm sound. Okay. It has nice kind of bends available to us in the middle range, so you can get those really classic wailing notes. And then up in the higher end, we've got really sweet melodic. Okay, so we've got a lot of interesting flavors available to us on a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. Okay, so what you need to get is a 10-hole diatonic in the key of C major. I recommend that you get a Hohner Special 20. I'm not affiliated with them, but if you do want to use my Amazon's affiliate link, you can click on that in the description below to buy one. The reason that I recommend them is that they are very solid, they arrive in tune, they're relatively easy to play. It's not worth buying a super cheap harmonica or a big set of loads of cheap harmonicas. Just get one decent key of C major, and then you'll start experimenting and kind of branch out from there. You don't have to always play one of these, but it's an excellent place to start. Okay, so if you want to have more help with learning harmonica, then I suggest you check out my free 4-week foundation course for absolute beginners. You can find out all about that by clicking in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And if you didn't subscribe and hit that little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And I upload one every Wednesday, so there's lots of harmonica content coming your way. All right, thank you very much. Happy harping.